Hi everybody, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So you guys, I wanted to jump on here and let you know that I finally found a deep conditioning product that actually lives up to its name, and I have fallen in love with this. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey and olive oil. Can I just tell you, the first time that I used it, and I didn't even follow the directions correctly because I didn't bother to read it. First of all, it says to use their shampoo, it says to use a conditioner, then use this. I didn't do any of that. I used my own shampoo that I had. And then it says to put this on and use like a heating hood, like a dryer to cover your hair with a shower cap, sit under a dryer to conditioner into the hair cuticle. And it says to leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, I think. And if you don't have the dryer, to just use it with the shower cap for anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. I didn't even do that the first time. I washed my hair, put it in 15 minutes, rinsed it out, put styling product in my hair, went to work, and I was like, my hair looks really nice today and it feels amazing. And I was like, it had to be this. So the next time around, I tried it. I put the shower cap on. I left it on for about 30 minutes, rinsed my hair out, and this time I used no styling product and my hair still looked beautiful. And I was like, okay, this stuff is it. This is it. I normally don't come on here and like really try to push anything because I'm someone who's really looking for maximum results. Like, I've watched all these other people try things and they have these transformative situations. They're like, this cream faded the spots on my skin, this conditioner made my hair grow 5,000 feet and it's super shiny now. I go out, try these things, and it never happens for me. But for the first time, I've found something that really works for my super dry hair. I am going to try to recreate what I did last time for you guys tomorrow. It's too late for me to do it now. My fingers crossed that I get the same result so it doesn't make a liar out of me, but no, I'm fairly convinced that this is it. So stay tuned until tomorrow. Okay, bye. I just finished washing my hair. I used the Pantene Pro V Classic Clean. I like this shampoo because it gives it a good cleansing without overstripping the hair, and it's actually good for everyday use. It's very gentle and it does leave the hair feeling very soft and silky. But let me show you what my hair looks like 5 minutes after just squeezing the excess water out of it with the towel. You can see how super dry my hair is. It's like drying up already. Maybe the back is a little more moist, but you can see what I got going. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put this TGIN Honey Miracle mask on. I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna apply it generously. I'm gonna start doing that now so you can just see what I'm talking about. Just took a big glop here. I'm gonna start on these white strands first because they are the most intensely dry, and then of course the ends as well. I've used a generous amount and I do feel like my hair is nicely coated. So what I'm going to do now is just pull it into a bun, put the shower cap on. I know initially I said I was only going to do 15 minutes, but because it is so super dry, I think I'm going to do 30 minutes. So right now the time is, give me a second, I have conditioner all over my hands. It's 1:57. So I will be back in 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, it is 2:41 now, but I actually rinsed this about 4 minutes ago, but I got caught up doing something else. So let me just take it out of the towel now, squeeze off any excess water. Okay, so you're probably looking at this going, what is she so impressed by? So first of all, look at this. I can just run my fingers through my hair after using this conditioner. Normally when I rinse my hair out after deep conditioning with the other products that I have used, I've gone through with the brush and I'm like, oh my God, I can't get it through. Look at this, you guys, look how easy. I washed this brush, I disassembled it, I ran soapy water through it, I scrubbed my fingers along the bristles, like between them, so that there was no residual product, because I want you to see that this is just water and nothing else, and I want you to see how nice my curls come out. So let me just go ahead, give it a little brush. I don't have a mirror, so give me a second. Let me look over here to see what this looks like. I'm gonna give it a little squeeze like that to help it form the curls. And I may wet my hands just to re-moisten the ends, but nothing else. And then I will come back later and show you what the hair looks like. So give me 1 sec. It's several hours later. My hair is almost 100% dry. I still feel a little bit of dampness where the curls are like clumped together at the end, but look at this, you guys. Look how my curls look so nice with no product, nothing. And you know how dry my hair is. My hair is ridiculously dry, but look at this. Nothing. This is water. Okay, maybe the back looks a little crazy, but I did hot flash a few times, so I started sweating, and whenever I sweat, my scalp gets a little damp and it frizzes, but for the most part, doesn't this look like I put product in my hair? The curls look so lovely. My hair feels amazing. That mask, that whole line, I would love to try the whole line, but I like the fact that I can use that mask and not have to rely on a curl cream, a mousse, a gel, a leave-in spray, nothing, because this is how amazing it has made my hair. If you're not impressed, you're just not impressed. But if you have hair like me that is like cracked wheat, super dry, sawdust, and you have to put product in it, and most of the other deep conditioners that you have tried in the past have given you pretty decent results, but you still always have to use a styling product afterward. Not with this TGIN Honey Miracle mask. Look, one more time, let me just let you guys see. I'm so impressed and so happy. My hair feels super, super soft. It has like spring to it, so it'll bounce back. It's day 2, and I wanted to get on here and show you guys what my hair looks like because I'm still pretty impressed. Day 2 for me is a full rinsing, just because I feel like I sweat a lot at night, and I just want to make sure that I run some water through my hair. So I went to the gym, I showered, just rinsed my hair. No shampoo, no conditioner, nothing. Came out, brushed it again, gave it the same little squeeze, and this is the level of curl that I have without styling product. Someone like me who has super frizzy, very dry hair, to be able to get this level curl on the second day with no conditioner is pretty impressive. So let me just show you what it looks like. Look at the curls. I don't know what the back looks like. I didn't look at that myself, but anyway, I'm impressed. I just wanted to show you guys because if you are someone like me who struggles with really dry hair, get yourself some TGIN because you will not be disappointed. All right, I'll see you guys later.